Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video, we are discussing about the topic baking technology. Subtopics includes definition of baking, principles of baking and types of cakes. So watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. Baking is a type of dry heat cooking similar to roasting that's done in an enclosed space such as an oven, not over a direct flame. When we bake food, the same scientific principles of a contained space, heated air, evaporating moisture, and humidity control are still at play. The process of baking dries out and transforms the food we want to eat fundamentally by changing its structure. Difference between baking and roasting. The main difference between roasting and baking are the types of food you roast or bake and the temperature of the oven. When it comes to temperature, roasting requires a higher oven temperature of about 400 degree Fahrenheit for the cooking process, while baking takes place at lower oven temperature about 375 degree Fahrenheit and below. Roasting involves cooking food like meat, potatoes, chicken and vegetables that already have a solid structure before you begin cooking. Baking, however, refers to food without initial solid structure like cupcakes and cookies. Principles of baking. The main principle behind baking is that under optimum heat and relative humidity, yeast produces enough gas and helps in product development. There are 6 main principles of baking: wetting ingredients, dry ingredients, leavening agents, flavoring agents, heat, and different mixing methods. Now let's see different types of cakes. There are many different types of cakes and many different ways of dividing them into various categories. They are generally classified based on the ingredients, mixing methods, flavorings, etc. According to fat content, cakes are classified as high ratio cake and low ratio cake. High ratio cake have a sugar to flour ratio exceeding 1. Low ratio cakes have lower than or equal levels of sugar and flour. Examples for high ratio cakes includes foam cakes, angel food cakes, sponge cakes, etc. Examples for low ratio cakes includes butter or shortening cakes, pound cakes, carrot cakes, etc. Cakes can be also classified based on the combination of formulations and production methods. They are often classified into 3 categories, that is batter, foam and chiffon types. Batter type cake is prepared either with a single stage or multi-stage mixing method such as a creaming method. The fat and sugar are first creamed together to produce a light foam. Foam is added at the end of the mixing procedure. In foam type cakes, the batter is made into 2 basic steps. First, egg and sugar are whipped into thick foam and the sifted flour is folded in. The chiffon type is a combination of batter and foam types. A batter containing flour, egg yolk, oil and water is folded into the egg white form. Such cakes containing leavening agent and do not depend on the egg foam for all their leavening. If you are preparing for CUET PG, Food Science and Technology or Food Engineering and Technology entrance exam, then kindly go through the details of online test series course for these courses. This test series course is made exactly as per the current syllabus, so download the Tech 360 app and enroll today. Link is in the description and pinned comment. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech 360. Thank you.